Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon everyone. In this video, I will explain about research design and sampling techniques. In this video explores the fundamental principles of research design and sampling techniques, providing a comprehensive overview for conducting robust and insightful studies. Okay, so the first one is Introduction to Research Design. Research design is the blueprint for conducting a study, providing a framework for collecting and analyzing data. Number one is types of design. There are various designs, including the experimental, correlational, and descriptive, each suited for different research questions. Number two is variables. Identifying and defining variables is essential for design, experiments, and conducting analysis. So the last one is methodology. A clear methodology outlines the steps involved in data collection, analysis, and interpretation. Okay, next slide is qualitative and quantitative approach. Research approach differ based on the type of data collected and analyzed. So the first one is qualitative. Qualitative research focus on in-depth understanding of experience, perspective, and meanings through rich textual data, often using interviews, observation, and focus groups. So the last one is quantitative. Quantitative research relies on numerical data using statistical method to analysis pattern and relationship, often using surveys, experiments, and questionnaires. Next is probability sampling techniques. Probability sampling ensures that every member of the population has a known chance of being selected for the sample. Number one is simple random sampling. Each member has an equal chance of selection, like drawing names from a hat. Number two is stratified random sampling, dividing the population into subgroups and then randomly selecting from each group, ensuring representation of key characteristics. Number three is cluster sampling, dividing the population into clusters and randomly selecting a sample of cluster. Next is non-probability sampling techniques. Non-probability sampling involves selecting participants based on specific criteria, not random change. So number one is convenience sampling. Selecting participants based on their easy accessibility and availability. Number two is quota sampling. Selecting participants to meet predetermined quotas for specific characteristic with the sampling. So the last one is snowball sampling. Participants recommend other potential participants, often used for hard-to-reach population. So the last slide is ethical consideration in research. Ethical consideration are paramount in research to protect participants and maintain scientific integrity. So number one is informed consent. Participants must be fully informed about the study and provide their consent. Number two is confidentially. Data and identities of participants must be kept confidential, ensuring their privacy. So the last one is beneficent. The study should aim to benefit participants and society while minimize potential risks.